Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out in our RV. We're doing some troubleshooting. Because when we were on our trip, we had some issues with water pumps and things like that, and lights flickering. So if I turn this so you can see these lights right here, you can watch what happens. See the flicker in the lights? There, see, you got a beep too. You see how the lights flicker? So, and it's just this part of the coach right here. You can see how much that flickers the lights there. The lights flicker. The other thing you can notice is our battery here, which we know is full. You can see the battery barely shows full here when we push the battery button. When we turn this on, you get one light. The first thing we did was, there is our bus with all those white wires. Those are all our ground wires. So we did double check all the grounds. All those grounds were tight. One was slightly loose. So we started to move back towards the batteries. Another thing to test your ground was to start the generator. The generator starts fine, and so that's got a good ground of the generator. Now we know there's a wire that runs right from the battery all the way to the generator, so we know that's got a good ground. The question is, where else are there grounds that aren't making for us? Just heard that relay click. Now we're on 110 volts. When you're on 110 volts, you have no issue whatsoever with the water and the lights flickering. And we turn the generator off. Check your batteries. Look, wow, no way we charged the batteries to 2/3 that quick. But turn the water back on. You can see you got a light flicker. Do this a bunch of times, and eventually we lose that connection again. Matter of fact, you can see how this light isn't as bright now as, say, those lights. What we're doing, putting a little WD-40 on the threads here so we can get it loose. We believe it's 9/16, but we're not sure. And it is 9/16. Oh yeah, we see we got sparks there, so yeah, we got some connection issues there. What we're going to do is we're going to go unhook our batteries. Remember we put those quick battery connections on there? We'll show you those. So we managed to get the nut off. So now we kind of got to work all these wires off. And you can bring them down and you can see everything's corroded here pretty good. Looks like that. See, this one that totally came off. So this is the one that's a major problem. The rest of these we can hit with a wire brush. We got a wire brush here. We can wire brush these. And wire brush these. Set aside. And this one. Now, get this one here. And wire brush this. Now we got to go see if we can clean this up. So we're going to go off camera and see if we can clean this one up. Oh, we're back. So we've got this connector cleaned up. to get this in there good like this. There's some good connection. The hard part's going to be, I'm not sure our crimp tool is strong enough, or if we're strong enough to run it, but we can try. Maybe if we come up a little more. What is that? I think we got that pretty tight, actually. So now we can start putting these up here again. Back on the wire here. We got them up there. Find our nut and bolt. Nuts right here. Put a nut on here. There we go. Okay, so that's tight. I think we have to get some pull ties here and tighten up this wire here. How it's supposed to be. So we'll have to get some pull ties to fix that later. But there we go. Now the last thing we're going to do, we've got this stuff here that's for electrical connections, for sealing them. Shake that up and yep. It was spraying before counterfeit. There we go. Well, looks like we have to get some more of that too. But we're going to spray some sealer on that so that it doesn't corrode again. So let's go inside and see what we did. Okay, so we're back. So now we're going to run our water. Yeah, our lights don't flicker at all now. That was definitely our problem. That's a good deal. There we go, on and off with the water, no lights are flickering. We don't get that beep anymore either. We are fixed. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We will put links down below to the items you can get on Amazon. I think I'm going to go out and buy one of them crimp tools and get some more of those connectors and do a better job. But that's where we're at now. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the links below. Shop Amazon, help support the channel. Please subscribe. We appreciate all your help for building our channel. And we'll give you more how-tos here and save you some money. Catch you soon.